So today we will learn about, first of all, about simplifying ratios. Because when you give an answer, you need to give answer. If you give answer the ratio, you need to give it in the simplest form. And simplifying the ratio is the same as simplifying all the fractions. So if you have a ratio, for example, 3 to 6, it's the same as you have 3/6. So how we simplify fraction? It's equal 1/2. But how we simplify? How we finding it? We finding that is we divide them by the highest common factor, which is in this case 3 divided by 3 will be equal 1/2.
And it can't be a decimal ever.
It has to be only whole number, only in the whole numbers. And if we have even more than a ratio from more than 2 quantities, we have, let's say, 3 quantities. For example, we have some ratio 28 to 21 to 35. We need to find what is the highest common, highest common factor between them, 7. So we divide 7, yes, we divide each of them by 7, will be 4 to 3 to 5.
What are you doing?
Make sense?
Yup.
Then you can't put that in a fraction. Yeah, you put my grandpa with the ninja. You can't put that in a
No, you cannot write
I
when
like
we
men.
have more than, comparing more than 2 quantities, you cannot write as a fraction. When comparing 2, you can. That makes sense how to simplify ratios.
Yup. Oh my
And from now on,
Sorry.
you must give your answer only in the simplest form. If the answer will not be in the simplest form, you will lose the mark.
Darcy, was that you?
That was Calvin.
More
Oh.
challenging topic today we will look into is dividing ratio, dividing quantity in a given ratio. For example, let's say Jesse and Ashton purchased together a lottery ticket. And lottery ticket, price of the lottery ticket was $10.
So we put
It
5.
was $10, and they contributed. Ashton contributed $7, and Jesse contributed $3.
But how would it be 1?
And so together they purchased a ticket, and they won, and their winnings was
10 million.
$300.
So do I get 70%?
So we need to divide how they divide their winning. We need to find, first of all, we have this ratio was 7 to 3. Their contribution was 7 to 3. How many parts altogether?
10.
10 parts. 7 plus
So
3
300 equals 10.
plus 3
300.
equals 10. So we divide 300
By 10, which is 10.
by the number of parts by 10, which will be equal 30. And then we multiply 7, Ashton got 7 parts, 30 get 210, and Jesse got 3 parts,
90.
times 30 got 90.
So why is it divided by 10? So it's the number.
We have ratio is 7 to 3, and total number of parts is 7 plus 3 equals 10. Yes?
Wouldn't it be easier to find
I put $3
70% of
in. That's
300?
pretty good.
Okay, if let's change a little bit, let's make another example where it will not be adding to 10, where when, let's say, we have there is a bag of the lollies with the two different flavors. Let's say lemon and
Tangerine.
Coca-Cola.
let's say lemon and raspberry.
What? What are you talking about?
Lemon and raspberry. And the ratio is 2 to 5.
What did I do?
The ratio of the lollies is 2 to 5. And there are altogether in the bag, altogether there are 350 lollies. How many lollies are lemon? How many are raspberry? Yes.
350 divided by 7.
Huh?
How do we know which is like
50.
Alright.
350 divided by 7.
So,
and then times 2.
why we dividing by 7?
Because that's the ratio.
Because we have how many parts we have altogether?
7.
7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So we divide 350 by 7, which will be 50. So you get lemon 2 times 50 equal 100. And to find the raspberry, we multiply 5 by 50 equals 250. That's how we divide a ratio in the quantity in the given ratio. Another example, if we have three quantities, let's say now another lottery, and Leah Frankie and Noah purchased the ticket, and cost of the ticket is $25, and their contribution will be, so we have Frankie and Noah, there's a price of the ticket, and their contribution is, let's say, 15, 6, and 4.
Like, what happens if, pretend we won less, pretend we only won, pretend we won $5.
Wait, is this for
From
the
the
lottery
lottery,
one?
yeah, from the lottery, what if we only won?
But the ticket costs
Who's
$10.
we?
So we have
Yeah.
$25, and that's a contribution of each student.
That is 25,
And-
so then if you
and-
do 25 divide it's 1.
And they won, let's say, $800.
Wait, what's the $25 for?
How much ticket, cost of the ticket. Now, how they should divide their winnings. The ratio is 15 to 6 to 4. How many parts we have
I
altogether?
would get $128.
We have how many parts we have? We have 25 parts.
Nice.
15 plus 6 plus 4 equals 25. Altogether 25 parts. So we
Thank you,
divide
get
800.
$198.
800 we divide by 25, which will be
32.
equal 32. And now we're finding then how much will be each. 15
Still laughing about
times
grandfather.
32 will be 480. We do 6
gets
times
192.
32
192.
equal 192.
And
And
then
we
I
have
would
4 times 32 equal 128. That's how we divide 800 in the given ratio. Make sense?
yes.
Okay, like, subscribe, and donate to help defeat Russia.
Yes.
And rid them from the world.